Hey guys, Naisha here, just an average girl, and welcome to my channel. For those who are new, just letting you know, this is a channel where I like to go and explore new and exciting things, go to my favorite theme parks, and of course, talk about nerd-related content. And speaking of nerd-related content, I just came back from a Transformers convention called TFCon. Uh-oh. Oh! Now it's a party. You guys know if you guys are going to be doing Megatron or anything like that?
Stay tuned.
Okay. I mean, it was amazing. Not only did I see, wonderful people and also get to see my favorite voice actors, I got to see amazing YouTubers like Treebot and Bert the Stormtrooper, as well as those that I collabed with in the past like Diecast Norbs, Patriot Prime, and Rodimus Primal. And of course, it wouldn't be a convention if I didn't bring back souvenirs. So I'm happy to say I'm in the process of completing one of my collections. For example, I just purchased Sludge there at the convention. I just pre-ordered Slag, which will be coming next year, and all that's left is Swoop, and the whole Dinobot 1986 series would be complete. Now, I'm about to walk into some unknown territory. Though I am a Transformer fan and I've collected figurines over the years, my knowledge is mostly based on the 1984 series and the 1986 movie, with a little bit of Beast Wars. And as for figurines, lately I've only been collecting what catches my eye. Now, I do see a future where I may be collecting the Combiners, or for that matter, the Titans, or even better, the HasLab Unicron. So I ask that you please be gentle with me, and if there is anything that you want to teach me that is after the Armada series, because I went to Iraq at that time and I never really finished the series, and I probably should. But feel free to leave a comment below and just educate me. I would appreciate it. Now, normally at conventions, I just buy a ticket and I just enjoy myself. But this time around, I wanted to see what it was like having the premium ticket. TFCon had some exclusive figurines that we could purchase before the actual release. And I found something that caught my eye. And that is the Ocular Max Remix 15 Bikasi. Or technically, it's the mini cassette Autobot Steeljaw, or even to be more technical, it is the Decepticon version from the Steel Glass series. The real reason why I purchased this was because it reminds me of the Black Lion from Voltron. I couldn't resist. So I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to see why this caught my attention. Alright, so yes, here is the box right here. On the back, this is supposed to be, the Shattered Glass Blaster. This is supposed to be his chest where, he's a cassette tape. This is where he, he pops out. So maybe I could open it from here, I think. Maybe. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah. This is so cool. Oh, I love this. Sorry, forgive me. Like I said, I've never done this before. So yeah. So yeah, this was supposed to act like the cassette tape. That is so awesome. Oh, okay, for those of you who don't know what a cassette tape is, I will show you later, because I don't have a player for it. So, but yeah, there he is. And so let me see if I can open him up from, yep, let me open up from this end instead, so that way I can preserve the box. because I'm the kind of person that does that. I like to keep my boxes intact because if I have to move, I want to make sure that the boxes that I put the figurines in are okay. All right. All right, so this is the manual. And there he is. Oh, no way. Are you serious? They actually, it's a case. Oh, damn. There's a case in here. Here it is. That is so cool. They have a cassette tape for him. How adorable is this? So yeah. So Shattered Glass Steel Jaw. But I guess they call him Vikasi. So yeah, so like back in the day, you had cassette tapes. Oh, that is amazing. So to compare, I brought some old classic cassette tapes so you can see for yourself. This is what we used to listen to, kids, because back in the day we didn't have CDs, we didn't have, MP3 players, we had cassette tapes. We had Walkmans that played these magnetic tapes, and I mean, it was a blast. And of course, before that, you had, 8-track tapes and all that stuff, VHSs, but yeah. So, I mean, just look at that. They're almost the same size. That is amazing. So, let's carefully open this. No, I'm seriously loving this because this is definitely giving me, nostalgic feels. So yeah, no, I mean, it's like looking at an actual cassette tape. I feel like I want to put this in, a cassette player and play it because I mean, it even has, the spins. Like back in the day, if anything was to happen to your cassette tape, like if the ribbon and all that stuff came out undone, you would have to put a pencil in and you would have to spin in order to get, everything to work and stuff. So yeah, this honestly makes me want to, do the same thing too, but you can't. This is cool. I love this. I love this so much. I mean, it's like looking at a cassette tape through and through. Oh, the feels. Oh, this brings me back. Okay. Enough reminiscing. Let's go ahead and turn this cassette tape into an adorable, ferocious, evil kitty.
transform the head.
What do you think, Vanilla Bean? I think she likes it. Oh yeah, yeah. Definitely approves. So there you have it, guys. This is a fantastic figure. And like I said, I don't know if it's Vivasi, if that's how you pronounce his name. If not, please, someone, comment me and let me know what it is. But other than that, this is an adorable figurine. I am so glad that, this caught my eye because, again, it looks like the Black Line from Voltron, even though it is technically the color scheme for the Shattered Glass version of Steeljaw. And I hope that other people will invest in this because, again, this is a cute little guy. And if you are collecting the mini cassettes, because I've seen on that website there are many others, I would I would say get this guy because it's definitely well worth it. If you want, you can check out the Agora Models playlist in which I'm putting together a 3-foot Optimus Prime. It has lights, it has sound. And it's a bi-monthly project that I'm doing, and I look forward to every box that comes my way because it's looking amazing. If you want, you can also check out the Robosen flagship Optimus Prime. And I mean, I had so much fun with that review, and I hope you guys enjoy.